If you're looking for a reliable modern business laptop built to last, the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 2 might be exactly what you need. At the Notebook Shop, we specialize in Lenovo products for professionals, small businesses, offices, nonprofits, schools, and more. And today, we're taking a closer look at one of our current in-stock models that offers serious value at $849. The ThinkPad E16 Gen 2 keeps it clean and classic, with a 16-inch Full HD anti-glare display with a 16 by 10 aspect ratio, a durable aluminum chassis, and a professional matte black finish. The larger screen allows you to see more but also helps with ease of use. It's thin, sturdy, and weighs just under 4 pounds, portable enough for daily commutes but tough enough for real work. The E16 also comes with the signature red track point, a backlit keyboard, and security shutter for the webcam. Under the hood, it features AMD's Ryzen 5735U. That's a 6-core, 12-thread processor with speeds up to 4.55 GHz. It comes with 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, but supports up to 64 gigabytes if you need more power down the road. Storage-wise, you get a fast 512 gigabyte NVMe SSD with room to upgrade or add a second drive. This is more than enough for productivity apps, multitasking, spreadsheets, conferencing, and even some light design or dev work. Graphics are handled by integrated Radeon 660M, more than capable for office tasks, media consumption, and even light creative workloads. You also get stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos tuning by Harman and dual far-field mics for crystal-clear virtual meetings. It runs Windows 11 Pro out of the box and includes all the ports you'd expect for business: dual USB-C with DisplayPort support, full-size HDMI, Ethernet, and 2 USB-A ports. Security-wise, it has a fingerprint reader built right into the power button, a TPM 2.0 chip, and a physical webcam privacy shutter. In terms of how the trackpad feels, it's responsive with good feedback. Nothing to worry about in that department. This model is covered by Lenovo's 1-year warranty. And if you ever need help, we're an authorized Lenovo service provider, which means you can bring your ThinkPad directly to us for repairs, upgrades, or troubleshooting. We can help install extra RAM, increase your SSD, or even pre-configure your system with Windows and Lenovo Vantage, so you're ready to go out of the box. Unlike the big box stores or anonymous online resellers, the Notebook Shop has a real physical location in Cerritos, California. You can visit our showroom, see the laptop in person, ask us questions, and build a relationship with a real team that cares. And yes, we also ship nationwide. If you're a professional, a business owner, or part of an organization looking for a dependable Lenovo system, the ThinkPad E16 Gen 2 delivers premium performance without the premium price tag. It's in stock now for $849 or $799 for a little less memory and SSD storage. Contact us today at the Notebook Shop, stop by our showroom in Cerritos, or visit our website to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product spotlights like this one.